What's up, bud?
Riding blind.
It's tough, isn't it?
It is.
It's fun, though.
It is fun.
Good thing you have goggles.
You need goggles.
I definitely need goggles.
Yeah, it's just that puddle that pounces up every now.
Yeah, it shoots up right from the top of the wheel. Gets you right in the face.
Exactly.
Right, sunglasses. I didn't think it was gonna be foggy.
Yeah.
I've always worn glasses. I haven't gotten goggles yet. What's up?
Goggles good.
Yeah, it's definitely fun though.
It is.
Every day that's a good day, but this is tough.
Something different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we need speed here no matter what to make it up to step up.
I'm taking this one. Well, I haven't rode this year yet. This is the wall rides. I'm gonna stay off the walls, but I want to hit the berms.
They're a good time.
Some of that, you know.
Good time.
Yeah.
I'll follow you then.
It drops into like another berm section that runs us down. You can't hit the drop from here, can you?
Which one?
You can hit the Phantom, but not that little one.
Which little one?
The little ladder.
Oh.
It's right under the lift.
No, because when you come out, you're at the bottom of that already. Because you make the right up to Phantom. To get to that little drop, you got to go over here.
To the step off.
Yeah.
Table. Okay.
And then come down on it.
I'm gonna run. Yeah, I'm gonna go down this one.
Have a good day, guys.
All right, you too, man.
Yeah. Riding blind is right. I can't see shit. Oh, fucking goggles. Oh, so much shit in my eyes. Excuse me.